Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to prepare Rava Laddu or semolina balls. For this, first let us roast the cashews. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan. To this add 7 to 10 cashews and 10 to 15 raisins. Fry them well. The cashews and raisins are ready. Now we can take it out. Set this aside. We are going to use this later. Next we are going to fry the rava. Add 1 teaspoon of extra ghee in the pan and add 1 cup of rava, that is semolina. Roast them well. Take time, keep it in low to medium flame and roast this for about 7 to 10 minutes. Once this is roasted, you will get a nice aroma. Now let us add 3/4 cup of sugar. If you want the laddu to be soft, you can powder the sugar and add into this. From here, keep the flame in low, you should not overcook. Now let us add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. You don't want to wait for the sugar to get dissolved, just mix everything. Next add the fried nuts and raisins. Mix everything quickly for about a minute and then add 1/4 cup of milk. Milk is used for binding here, so if you don't want to add milk, you can go for ghee. Mix everything and stir well till everything comes together. This is ready. Now switch off the flame and let this warm down. Once the heat is bearable, you can make this into small balls. Our Rava Laddu is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.